In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an EGR valve on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located on the top of the motor, and it'll be the 8-liter version. Let's get started. We're going to remove the connector for our EGR valve. We're going to pull up and back on the tab, pull straight up, and remove the connector. Using a 13mm socket, remove the 2 nuts for the EGR valve. Remove the 2 nuts. Remove the EGR valve. And there's a gasket on the bottom of this. Be sure that it's not stuck to the top. Using a scraper, we're going to go around and we're going to clean our mating surface for the EGR valve. When we're doing this, you want to scrape away from the holes. We do not want to scrape anything into the motor. Go around and get it nice and clean. Using a clean rag with some parts cleaner, we're going to go through and we're going to clean that mating surface once we've scraped it all. When we're wiping this, again, we don't want to wipe anything into the holes, so make sure that you are wiping away and get it nice and clean. Install the gasket. Install the new EGR valve. Grab the nuts and get them installed. Snug the nuts down. Install the connector into the top of the EGR valve. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.